Welcome back to CVM at Sunrise, and we're going to take things to another level this morning because we're going to have dance fitness instructor and Miss Bikini 2017 Christina Gonzalez to keep me in the loop with all the latest dance moves. Good morning, Christina.
Good morning, Amashika. How are you?
I am well. I'm ready. Very excited. What are you going to teach me today? What's the first move?
So I'm going to be teaching you lebe lebe.
Okay.
Then I'm going to teach you flary. Then I'm going to teach you a special one that I created myself called the CVM Shuffle.
So I'm to take this as my audition for the Ding Dong Ravers crew? So
I mean, you could. Ding dong, look out.
Ready? I'm so ready. So this is the lebe lebe.
So the first one is lebe lebe, and it's really cool and easy to relax your entire body. So you just go in 1, 2, and you double one side.
All right.
See the music there?
Hey.
Yeah.
Ding dong, do you see me?
And just add the shoulders when you're ready. And then we can add a little dip.
Okay.
Dip, yeah.
Everybody free win at the party. Y'all touch me body.
Very easy, right?
Right.
Everywhere ding dong and ravers go. Smash up, you know. Play smash up, you know. Everybody will have vibes. Everybody.
All right, so we'll catch that one.
All right, yeah.
All right. So the next one we're going to do is flary. Have you heard of flary?
I've heard it. I have seen it. It looks like a lot of weave flying. A lot of things are taking place when I see flary take it. So break it down for me.
Flary has 3 variations. One of the things in dancehall now that you will realize is that there's no such thing as one move. You know, like one time you used to no linger, and it's one single move.
Way.
Now we're doing routines in the dancehall.
Yes.
So flary goes like this. First 1, 2, hit. 2.
1, 2, 3, hit.
Yeah. That's the first variation. Second one.
Double. 1, 2.
Yeah. You ready for the third one?
Okay.
Are you ready for this one?
Is this the complicated
This
one
is the
now?
complicated one. Look carefully. Look at my feet. Here, here, here. Here.
1, 2, double, double.
1,
2.
2.
The other arms though. Okay.
And you can move with this one.
We're going to the side.
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
It's not. That's what
Once you
I'm
break
telling
it
you.
down.
From the top, we'll go. 1. Hit. 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 Double, 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 side. Double, double, side. This one now. Double, hit. Hit. Take it down. Take it low. Hit. Yeah. Ooh. Hit. Feel the quads. All right, so now the last one is the CVM shuffle. You good?
I'm good.
Take a deep breath. CVM shuffle is very easy. So all we're doing is the direction that we're going to, we'll point the heels to that direction.
All right.
So going 1 and dip. Ooh, yeah.
And hey. I can do this out the road and don't look funny.
No, you're not going to look funny unless you feel funny. Drop. Hey. And hey.
This is simple and easy and
simple.
cute.
CVM shuffle.
Hey.
All right, so now we're going to add everything together, Amashika.
So this is a routine now.
This is a routine. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
Here we go. Double. 2.
This is a leve.
That's a leve. Take it down. 3. Ready for flary? Here we go. Side. 2. And double.
Double.
Hard one. Hit. Girl, you're professional, man. Woo. CVM shuffle.
Shuffle.
Hit. And that's it. Easy, right?
So that's three different dance moves that I've learned in like 2 minutes because
Yeah.
that was
Really
awesome.
easy stuff.
That was awesome.
What a something nice.
So where were you, Angelina?
You know, I was over there in the bleachers watching.
What are you going to do with us, though?
Because this is what I do. That was my dance move, sitting stationary.
Oh, come on.
Praise God.
Come on.
Well, I want to thank you so much.
No
you
problem.
and your hair.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Afro
so
Queen.
much.
So we learned the lebe. We learned flare.
Flare.
And the CVM
shuffle. Customized
I do it
for
in one
CVM.
place. Dip. Oh, what a fantastic show we had today. Thank you so much for coming.
And of course, you know, ladies, if the viewers want to watch some more, they can watch Tutorial Tuesdays every Tuesday on my Instagram page. That's Chris_Choreo. Yeah, CHRISS_Choreo. Right on Instagram for
But are you
Tuesdays.
teaching us pop moves in general, or you're doing a lot of
It's
dance
a
hall?
mixture. It's a fusion. So I do everything from dancehall to hip hop to salsa and
To
everything
salsa?
in between. Yes,
You know,
girl.
I do salsa, you know.
You do salsa?
I do salsa.
Where?
Like 100%. We'll talk.
Okay.
We'll talk. Great. Thank you so much for coming.
No problem. I had
Wasn't
so
it
much
a
fun.
fantastic
It
show?
was a
a
nice
great
way
show.
to kick off Tuesday.
Yes,
A
sir.
blast.
Sorry, kick off Child's Month, dancing and moving.
Enjoying
It was a
ourselves.
fantastic show. It was a fantastic show. We're happy that you joined us this morning, and we want to big up everyone who came through, who is following us on Instagram, and who is checking out our photos and checking out this one, doing the CVM shuffle, an original that you saw right here first. The audition for Ravers went well.
I'll wait to hear from you, Ding Dong.
To anyone who is having birthdays this morning, we want to wish you a happy, happy, happy birthday and a happy, happy May 1 Child's Month. Why don't you have a good day? Be kind and do a little move today. Start out your Tuesday and just lebe on them. I will not attempt it. I'll leave these ladies to take us out.